Imagine holding a device in the palm of your hand that completely fundamentally redefines how we capture human movement, extreme environments, and personal memories forever. The action camera market has been locked in a fierce, brutal generational war for over a decade, with tech giants constantly trading minor incremental upgrades that leave content creators feeling underwhelmed and exhausted. But right now, behind the tightly closed doors of engineering labs, something entirely different is happening. We are on the absolute precipice of a massive technological paradigm shift, an engineering revolution that is about to drop the jaw of every filmmaker, vlogger, and adrenaline junkie on the planet. For months, whispers, highly classified supply chain leaks, and internal testing data have been quietly circulating through the global tech underground, all pointing toward one singular monumental release. This isn't just another minor iterative update or a simple seasonal refresh with a new plastic shell. This is the highly anticipated, deeply shrouded DJI Osmo Action 7, a camera built from the ground up to completely shatter the traditional limits of what a compact imaging system can physically achieve. If you think you have seen smooth stabilization, crisp low-light performance, or intelligent camera hardware before, you need to clear your mind completely and prepare for an entirely new tier of creative capability. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. The reality of modern content creation demands gear that can keep up with the chaotic, fast-paced rhythm of real life without missing a single frame, breaking down in extreme weather, or overheating when the action peaks. For years, creators have had to make massive, frustrating compromises, choosing between the raw image quality of a larger mirrorless system or the rugged, go-anywhere durability of a pocket-sized action shooter. DJI recognized this critical gap in the creative workflow and has spent years aggressively investing in advanced optical science, specialized thermodynamics, and cutting-edge machine learning models. The culmination of that massive, multi-million-dollar research and development push is finally manifesting in a device that looks to completely dominate the action sports and content creation landscapes. Today, we are pulling back the heavy curtain on the deep-level engineering specifications, the revolutionary new physical architecture, the groundbreaking software ecosystem, and the exact strategic timeline surrounding the official unboxing and worldwide commercial release of this incredible next-generation camera system. To truly understand why the upcoming generation represents such a massive evolutionary leap, we first have to take a close look at the psychological and physical journey of unboxing a premium piece of production hardware. When you first get your hands on the retail packaging, you immediately notice a distinct shift toward highly sustainable, ultra-premium materials that feel incredibly solid, yet completely conscious of environmental impact. Sliding off the sleek outer sleeve reveals an impeccably organized internal layout where every accessory, charging cable, and mounting bracket sits perfectly recessed in precision-cut, shock-absorbent trays. Nestled right at the very center of this minimalist layout is the camera body itself. And the moment your fingers make contact with the redesigned chassis, you instantly realize that this is a completely different class of machine. The physical footprint remains expertly optimized for compact mounting, but the actual materials used across the exterior frame represent a massive leap forward in material science. DJI has integrated a highly specialized, ultra-durable magnesium aluminum alloy core wrapped in an advanced, high-friction geometric tactile grip that feels incredibly secure in bare hands, cold environments, or when completely drenched in water. The weight distribution has been meticulously engineered right down to the millimeter, ensuring that when the camera is mounted to a helmet, a chest rig, or an extended carbon fiber extension pole, it feels beautifully balanced and completely weightless during high-speed, high-intensity maneuvers. As you lift the unit out of its protective shipping film, the next striking physical upgrade to hit your eyes is the revolutionary implementation of the front and rear display panels. Action cameras have historically suffered from small, dim, energy-hungry screens that make framing shots in direct high-altitude sunlight or pitch-black midnight environments an absolute nightmare. This new model completely eradicates that frustrating bottleneck by introducing dual next-generation edge-to-edge LTPO OLED touch displays that offer an absolutely stunning peak brightness rating that effortlessly cuts through the harshest desert or snowfield glare. The bezel thickness has been aggressively trimmed down by nearly 40% compared to previous iterations, effectively maximizing the usable screen real estate without expanding the overall physical dimensions of the camera body. This means your framing is infinitely more accurate, your menu navigation is completely fluid with zero touch latency, and the power consumption of the displays scales down dynamically depending on what you are shooting, preserving vital battery life when you are out in the wilderness away from a charging station. The glass covering these high-performance displays isn't just standard tempered material. It is a proprietary, multi-layered, chemically strengthened crystal composite that boasts a scratch resistance profile matching premium luxury timepieces, making it completely immune to stray gravel, flying debris, or accidental high-impact drops onto concrete surfaces. Moving past the stunning display panels, the true heart and soul of this physical unboxing experience reveals itself when you look directly into the massive, completely redesigned optical lens assembly. The lens element dominates the front face of the camera with an aggressive, purposeful stance that screams professional-grade optical engineering. DJI has implemented a completely brand-new, ultra-wide custom-designed variable aperture lens system that breaks away from the restrictive fixed focal setups that have plagued small-format action cameras for generations. Surrounding this beautiful glass element is a highly robust, heavily knurled protective aluminum bezel that features a precision-engineered bayonet mount design, allowing creators to effortlessly swap out specialized optical filters, neutral density elements, or anamorphic lens adapters in a matter of 2 seconds flat. The protective cover lens itself is treated with an advanced hydrophobic and oleophobic multi-coating that instantly sheds water droplets, mud, and oily fingerprint smudges, ensuring that your footage remains completely pristine and free of distracting optical artifacts, even when you're diving headfirst into breaking ocean waves or tearing through muddy backcountry mountain bike trails. Diving deeper into the internal layout of the unboxing experience, the premium retail package uncovers a completely overhauled power delivery and modular mounting ecosystem that will make seasoned production veterans incredibly happy. Tucked into the lower compartments of the premium box are the newly designed intelligent flight-grade batteries, which look slightly more elongated and feature an advanced structural composite shell designed to withstand extreme thermal expansion and contraction. Alongside the upgraded cells sits the iconic magnetic quick-release mounting bracket, a system that DJI pioneered and has now refined to absolute perfection. The new locking mechanism utilizes a dual-stage, heavy-duty mechanical engagement system reinforced with high-grade industrial magnets, providing an unyielding, rock-solid connection that completely eliminates any micro-vibrations or structural play during high G-force operations. Whether you're transferring the camera from a high-speed automotive suction mount to a handheld vlogging setup, the transition happens with a deeply satisfying, reassuring mechanical click that guarantees your expensive camera asset is completely locked down and safe from accidental detachment. Now, let us completely dismantle the machine from the inside out and discuss the absolutely mind-blowing technological breakthroughs occurring under the hood, starting with the revolutionary image sensor technology. For years, the physical dimensions of action camera sensors have capped out, drastically limiting dynamic range, color accuracy, and low-light performance. This upcoming masterpiece completely rewrites the rules by introducing a massive, custom-calibrated 1-inch stacked CMOS image sensor paired with a dual-pixel native ISO architecture. This is a monumental engineering feat for a camera of this size, providing a light-gathering surface area that leaves standard action cameras completely in the dust. A stacked sensor design means the pixel circuitry and the high-speed processing layers are layered directly on top of each other, allowing for blazingly fast data readout speeds that completely eliminate rolling shutter distortion. even when panning across a scene at extreme speeds or capturing objects moving at hundreds of miles per hour. This sensor captures life with an uncompromised level of clarity, preserving deep, rich shadow details and bright, luminous highlights simultaneously without ever clipping the whites or muddying the blacks. To process this massive torrent of raw visual data, DJI has developed an entirely new, incredibly powerful onboard computational engine driven by an advanced 3-nanometer dedicated artificial intelligence neural processor. This ultra-efficient silicon powerhouse acts as the master brain of the camera, executing billions of complex algorithmic calculations per millisecond while drawing a fraction of the power of previous processors. This chip enables real-time, hardware-accelerated computational photography features that were previously deemed completely impossible in a portable action camera form factor. Through sophisticated deep learning models trained on millions of professional cinematic color profiles, the camera instantly analyzes the lighting geometry, color temperature, and motion vectors of your scene. It intelligently optimizes exposure, applies localized tone mapping, and cleans up digital noise before the file is even written to the ultra-fast internal storage. This means that right out of the camera, your footage looks incredibly cinematic, richly textured, and completely ready for professional broadcast or high-tier social media distribution without requiring hours of exhausting color grading in post-production. The marriage of this massive 1-inch sensor and the advanced neural processor unlocks a video resolution and frame rate matrix that will completely blow your mind. We are looking at a system capable of capturing breathtaking, ultra-crisp 8K video at up to 60 frames per second with full pixel readout and zero subsampling. The level of detail present in an 8K file captured from this device is absolutely staggering. Every single leaf on a distant tree, every grain of sand on a windswept beach, and every individual drop of sweat on an athlete's face is rendered with absolute, tack-sharp precision. But if you want to slow down time and capture the beautiful, chaotic poetry of fast-moving motion, the camera seamlessly shifts into an uncompromised 4K resolution at an astonishing 240 frames per second, or an unbelievable 1080p mode at 480 frames per second for ultra-slow motion playback that turns a split-second splash of water into an epic, cinematic masterpiece. The bit depth has also been elevated to a true 10-bit log-M and HLG color profile across all resolutions and frame rates, supporting over 1 billion distinct colors and offering professional colorists an immense amount of structural flexibility when pushing and pulling exposure profiles in the edit suite. Let us address the single biggest pain point that has frustrated every single action camera user since the dawn of the medium: low light performance. Historically, when the sun goes down or when you step indoors into a dimly lit room, action camera footage immediately degrades into a soft, muddy, unusable mess filled with digital noise and distracting compression artifacts. This camera completely annihilates that limitation through a dedicated, hardware-driven night vision mode powered by specialized AI noise reduction networks. By leveraging the large light-gathering physical properties of the 1-inch sensor along with a massive lens aperture, the camera can practically see in the dark, pulling vibrant colors and sharp details out of near-total blackness. Whether you're capturing a bonfire night on a secluded beach, exploring a dense urban cityscape under the glow of neon signs, or shooting a nighttime automotive drive, the footage remains incredibly clean, remarkably sharp, and completely free of the ghosting or smearing that destroys low-light shots on lesser hardware. The camera's predictive low-light autofocus system also utilizes advanced phase detection pixels embedded directly across the entire surface of the sensor, locking onto your subject instantly and tracking them flawlessly even in challenging, low-contrast environments.